Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a chatter group within Salesforce. So I am currently on the homepage, or what I typically would see on my homepage. I am going to go over to Chatter. If you don't see the Chatter appear in the navigation bar, you can come over here to this 3x3 under the cloud and search for Chatter. It'll take you to the exact same place. All right, now to create a group, you'll see over here on the left-hand side, you've got recent groups. This might look slightly different, but it should be fairly similar. I am going to create a new group. So now you can go ahead and enter in all your different information for this group. So let's say I worked at companies before where we have a monthly Women in IT lunch. So I'm going to have a Women in IT group. Group for women in the company on advancing career and monthly lunches. Then you can add some information. You may or may not have a group email, who's the owner of it, so who's going to be, I guess, in charge of it. You can disable automatic archiving. You can choose your access type, and this is required if it's public or if it's private. I'm going to have it be a public group. I'm not going to allow customers, and this could also be a broadcast only. I'm going to hit save and next. You can choose to upload a group photo. I don't have one handy, so I'm just going to keep going. And then I have another fellow woman here that I'm going to add to the group, and she can be a member or a manager. I'm going to add her as a manager to this group and hit done. So now you can see we have a public chatter group that is for the women in IT in our company. Here we can go ahead and post. You can have a poll, a question, an announcement. So let's say if there was a Women in IT conference that you wanted to see, if there was any interest for the other women to go to, you would be able to poll that. You would be able to poll where you want to get lunch or different things. You could have announcements, etc. But that is pretty much it, how to set up a chatter group within Salesforce. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like. I am trying to figure out if I want to do a crash course in Chatter on the channel, so let me know if that is something that you would be interested in, and if there's something that you would want to see within that crash course. That'd be really helpful. Yeah, you can check out the courses down below or on salesforceupskill.com. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.